Thanks very much, Megan, for your always thrilling introductions to the webinars. I just wanted to start off today by welcoming everyone as well and to give you a little bit of background about myself. My name is Howard Rosenberg. You see me up there in the right-hand corner of your screen. I have been involved in the informatics industry and sort of an expert in that field for greater than 20 years, sometimes longer than I wish to admit. I have expertise in a variety of the different informatics systems, including the lab information systems, electronic lab notebooks, chromatography data systems, scientific data management systems, and the like. I have been successful in operating in a variety of different industries that are listed here, and I guess most important for this particular webinar in both the genomics and proteomics type of fields. I have extensive knowledge of different types of laboratories, their information processes, the workflows, things that go on, as well as a very strong command and knowledge of IT, network systems, databases, things like that. And back in the dark ages, I got a PhD in chemistry. And my co-presenter today is Mary, and we'll let Mary introduce herself.
Thank you, Howard. As Megan has mentioned, my name is Mary Chow. I'm the Senior Product Manager at GenoLogics. I oversee all the integrations and upcoming integrations for GenoLogics. My background includes over 10 years in the life science market as both a lab manager and product manager for a diagnostic lab as well as for biotech companies. I have extensive knowledge in laboratory information management systems, including designing them as well as creating integrations to third-party software from existing LIMS systems.
Thank you, Mary. And just to give you all the level set of what we're going to be going over today, here's the agenda. We'll be first going over the Clarity LIMS system in overview. Also on how one goes about extending the Clarity LIMS systems. We'll also discuss a little bit about the extensive out-of-box integrations that come available with the Clarity LIMS system. We'll talk about the application programming interface, the API, that Clarity LIMS supplies and supports. We'll also take a look at the CCAD program, this Clarity Certified Application Developer Program. We'll discuss briefly about what the relationship between GenoLogics and CSols is, and what the services that CSols provides in that space. And then we'll take a look at 3 case studies where CSols has had the opportunity to be able to provide some extensions and enhancements to some of the customers who are utilizing the Clarity LIMS system. We'll summarize the day, and then we'll leave plenty of time for your questions and answers. So with that understanding, I think we'll dive into the first topic, which is sort of an overview of the Clarity LIMS system, and I'll pass things back to Mary.
Okay. Thank you, Howard. So at GenoLogics, we are a life science software company, and the product that we offer is Clarity LIMS. We actually have 4 different editions to offer to customers, and these editions include Clarity Run Manager, which is a free edition for customers just to test out to see the user interface of Clarity LIMS, and also just to produce a simple sample sheet to upload into instruments. So this really gives customers the look and feel of Clarity LIMS before they make their final decision on which edition will work best for them in their particular lab. Our second edition is Clarity LIMS Silver. And Clarity LIMS Silver allows customers to take samples through sample submission all the way through pulling and entering information into the instrument prep and loading. And in Silver, you also have the capability to track the different sample protocols for sample extraction, sample prep, and validation as well. And then we know that as your lab grows, you're going to need more capabilities, and that is where our Gold Edition is available. Our Gold Edition includes the capability to actually have instrument run monitoring, so information being pulled back from different instruments into your Clarity LIMS system, as well as the capability to orchestrate data analysis pipeline. So you can kick off data analysis pipeline within Clarity LIMS, and also provide the metadata that you can create into custom reports, as well as sharing any data that you would like from the LIMS with other collaborators through our LabLink module as well. We have just recently launched Clarity LIMS X last week. And Clarity LIMS X is a full integration, comes with a full integration with Illumina's Seq Lab. And this is really to support Illumina's HiSeq X10 and X5 customers who are performing whole genome sequencing for population level experiments. So as you can see here, Clarity LIMS offer different additions to help support your lab as your business grows. Next slide, please. So one of the questions you may want to ask is, why GenoLogics? Why Clarity LIMS? And I wanted to just reaffirm that at GenoLogics, we are the specialists in genomics LIMS system.